step into the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder Severt. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger airbag sensor, driver illuminated vanity mirror, steering wheel audio controls, rear defrost, passenger airbag, driver vanity mirror, remote trunk release, rear spoiler, and keyless start. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.